Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. Let's continue Practice Book Unit 2 Genders. Let's move to worksheet 2. The names of some persons or animals are given below. Write M if they are of the masculine gender and F if they are of the feminine gender. Write the name of the opposite gender in the space provided. Take words from the aid box. Here, names of person and animals are given. In second column, we have to write whether they are male or female. In third column, we have to write its opposite gender with the help of aid box. The woman of her own wedding. I have written female. You can write F here. Its opposite gender is bridegroom. Host is the person who receives guest or who throws party. Host is male. Opposite gender is hostess. Next, master. Master is male. Opposite gender is mistress. Duke. Duke is the title given to the men of royal family when they get married. जब वो शादी करने जाते हैं तो उन्हें ड्यूक बोला जाता है. ड्यूक इज मेल. अपोजिट जेंडर इज डचीज मीन्स वाइफ ऑफ द ड्यूक. काउ इज फीमेल. अपोजिट जेंडर इज बुल. क्वीन इज फीमेल. अपोजिट जेंडर इज किंग. बिच इज फीमेल. अपोजिट जेंडर इज डॉग. एम्प्रेस इज फीमेल रूलर ऑफ अ किंगडम. इट्स अपोजिट जेंडर इज एम्परर. Horse is male. Its opposite gender is male. Open page number 14, worksheet 3. We have learnt about the masculine and the feminine genders. Let us know and understand about the common gender. Some names are common for both the genders. कुछ नेम मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन दोनों में ही आते हैं. So they can be used for both males and females. वो दोनों मेल्स और फीमेल्स दोनों के लिए हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. They are nouns of common gender. और वो common gender की कैटेगरी में आते हैं. For example, child. A child may be a male or female. Doctor. A doctor may be a male or female. So add a few words to the list. I have written 5 words. First, teacher. Teacher may be a male or female. So teacher is a common gender. Lawyer. Lawyer may be a male or female. Lawyer is a common gender. Student. Student may be a male or female. Student is a common gender. Singer. Singer may be a male or female. It is a common gender. Dancer. Dancer may be a male or female. It is a common gender. Now complete the names of the following persons or animals and write whether they belong to male or female or common gender. The first one has been done for you. First, a person who paints. जो पेंट करता है, पेंटिंग बनाता है, is a painter. So painter may be a male or female. So painter is a common gender. Second, a child without parent is called an orphan. Child जिसके पेरेंट नहीं होते उसको हम orphan बोलते हैं, अनाथ. So it may be a male or female. So it is a common gender. Next, a person who lives in the house next to yours is your. जो आपके next house में रहता है वो आपका क्या हुआ? Neighbor. So neighbor may be a male or female. So it is a common gender. Next, your father's dad is your. Father के dad आपके क्या हुए? Grandfather. Grandfather is a masculine gender, but we will write here male. Next, the opposite gender of a horse is a mare. We know mare is a female. It is a feminine gender. but we will write here female. Next, the opposite gender of nephew is niece. We know niece is a female and it is a feminine gender, but we will write here female. Next, the person who teaches us is a teacher. जो हमें teach करता है वो है teacher. Teacher may be a male or female, so it is a common gender.